children, how are you? Are you finished yesterday's homework? Previous class homework. So once check the answers from here. Understood? I gave all the answers. Once check it. If any mistakes are there, means correct it. Okay? Good. Today, pause the video and check the answers, Nana. Okay? So pause and check it. Next, today I am going to start. I am going to teach about abacus. Abacus. Do you know abacus? So this is an abacus. This is an abacus. Here, these are this is called a spike, and this is also a spike. Understood? These are called spikes. So we are using abacus to represent the number. So here two place values are there. So ones place, tens place. So we can use this abacus to represent the 2-digit number. So if you want to represent more than 2-digit number, if you want to represent 3-digit number, you can add one more place value. Understood? We can add one more spike. Understood? 3 spikes. So like that we can increase the spikes. So two spikes are there. First one is ones place and another one is tens place. Ones place, tens place. Understood? Ones place, tens place. So for example 35. How to represent 35 on abacus? How to represent 35 on abacus? So here how many 5 in which place? Ones place and 3 in tens place. So 3 tens are there. We have to represent these 3 tens on tens spike. We have to represent 3 tens on tens spike. So for that we have to draw beads. 3 tens now. So we have to draw beads. Ones, tens. Sorry. 1, 2, 3. 3 beads. And here 5 ones are there. So we have to draw 5 beads in ones spike. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 beads on ones spike. Okay. So 3 beads on tens spike and 5 beads on ones spike because it is 35. So to represent 35 on abacus, 3 on tens spike, 3 beads on tens spike and 5 beads on ones spike. Now take out your textbooks, all of you. Count the beads. For example, here I gave one number. Already I represented a number on abacus. So can you find the number? Can you find this number? So how many tens are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 tens are there. And how many ones are there? 1, 2. 2 ones are there. So 2. It is nothing but 52. So this is the representation of 52 on abacus. Understood? Now all of you open page number 12 in your textbook, content book. Page number 52. Sorry, page number 12. Page number 12 in your content book. Here abacus, count the abacus is given. You have to count the beads on the abacus and write the numbers. Count the beads on abacus and write the numbers. So first one I will explain. Remaining you can do simply. Practice on 3. Practice 1, 2, 3, 4 tens are there. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you have to find the number. How many tens are there? How many ones are there? And what is that number? And you have to find the number also. Okay? So tens, ones and number also. Now how many tens are there? How many beats on tens spike? 1, 2, 3, 4 beats on tens spike. So 4 tens. And how many beats on ones spike? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 beats on ones spike. So 5 ones are there. Then what is that number? 45. Similarly, complete the remaining. Complete remaining. Next one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So find out how many tens are there. Count how many tens are there in second abacus. How many tens are there? See here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tens are there. So we have to write 6 on tens place. And how many ones are there? How many beats on ones spike? No ones. So what we should write? There is no beats on ones spike. It means 0. So we have to write 0 under ones. Then what is that number? 60. It is nothing but 60. Okay. And next third bit. See one. Count how many tens are there. How many tens are there? Count how many tens? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Count in your textbook. See in your textbook and count. So how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 tens are there. And how many ones are there? 1, 2 ones are there. So what is that number? 92. So it is nothing but 92. And next last one is, count how many tens are there in last. In last abacus, how many tens are there and how many ones are there? See here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 tens are there. So we should write 9 under tens place. And how many ones are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 ones are there. So 9 under ones place. 9 under ones place. So 9 is nothing but 99. So understood for everybody? Okay. Next, expanded forms and number name. Expanded form and number names. See here, table, like a table it is 21. So what is that number? Number is 21. So what is its expanded form? Expanded form. So 21. So place values are ones, tens. Ones place and tens place. So ones place and tens place. Here how many tens are there? So how many tens are there? How many tens are there? 2 tens. 2 tens plus only one ones. 1 1. So 2 tens are there and 1 1. This is expanded form. And 2 1 is nothing but what is its number name? 2 1 number name is, what is its number name? Yes, it is nothing but 21. 21. Similarly, 2 2 22. Expanded form is 2 tens and 2 ones. 22. Next, 2 3 23. Its number name is 23. It is nothing but 2 tens plus 3 ones. And next, 24. 2 tens plus 4 ones. And its number name is 24. Like that only 30. 30 means 3 tens. 30 ones, tens. So in 30, how many tens are there? How many tens are there? 3 tens. Plus how many ones are there? 0 ones. Or we can leave that 0. We can write simply 3 tens. Actually, we need not to write 0 ones. Okay? 3 tens. And what is its number name? 30. 30. 30. Understood? So expanded form and number names. Now match the numbers with their number names. So match the numbers with their number names. Matching 31, 4 3, 5 5, 6 7, 8 8. Next, 55. 55. Next, 43. 43. Next, 88. 88. And next, 31. 31. So this is a table. Now you have to match number and its number name. So 67. Where is 67 here? In these numbers, where is 67? Is it 67? Is it 67? No. Is it 67? No. This is 67. So what is the letter in front of 67? D. So write D in this box. And the next number name is 55. Where is 55? Which one is 55? A, B, C or E? Which is 55? Yes, C is 55. So you have to write C in front of 55. Okay, next 43. Where is 43? Yes, B. 88. Where is 88? Which one is 88? E. Good. Next 31 is, this is 31. So it is nothing but A. Okay. And next, more, less and equal. So more than, less than and equal. More more, less and equal, there are symbols. Understood? There are three symbols. So this is more than symbol or greater than symbol. This is nothing but more than symbol. This is more than symbol. And next this is less than symbol. This is less than symbol. And last one is equal. If both are equal, we have to use equal to symbol. Understood? This is more than symbol, less than symbol, equal to symbol. When we should use more than symbol? If first number is greater, then we have to use greater than or more than symbol. If first number is smaller, we have to use less than symbol. For example, 12 and 23. 12 and 23. Here in 12 and 23, 12 is smaller or greater? So here 1 in tens place and 2 in tens place. So 1 is smaller or greater than 2? Smaller. So 12 is smaller or greater than 23? Smaller than 23. So first number is smaller. Smaller means less. So which is the less than symbol here? This is less than symbol. So we have to write less than symbol. If the first number is more, for example 23, 12. Here 2 is greater than 1. 2 is greater than 1. That means 23 is greater than 12. This is more. 23 is more. So which is the more than symbol here? This is more than symbol. So if first number is more, then we have to use more than symbol. First number is less, then we have to use less. If both the numbers are same, 12 and 12, then we have to use equal symbol. 12, 12. Both are equal now, so we have to use equal symbol. Understood? So open your textbooks, practice on 5. In practice zone 5, fill the correct sign. 11, 15, 26. I am writing questions. Try it. 26, 30, 35, 35. 46, 39, 58, 62, 27, 38, 75, 71, 62 and 62. And see these examples. 20, 23. In 20, these are example sums. 20 and 23. Which is more? Which is more? Which number is more? So 23 is more now. So this fish opened its mouth. Which side? Which side opened its mouth? Towards the big number. See here, 23 is bigger, so fish opened its mouth towards big number. And in 35 and 30, in 35 and 30, so which is more? 35, 30, which is more? So 35 is more. So again open the mouth towards the bigger number. Like this also we can remember how to put the symbols. If both are same, 46, 46. If both are same, we have to put equal symbol. Understood? Yes, 15 is bigger. So we have to open bigger side now. So towards the bigger, this is. And look at the board. 11 is smaller. So we have to put smaller symbol. And 15 is greater now. So that side opened mouth. Next 35, 35. Both are same. So equal. 58, 62. So 58, 62. Which one is more? 5, 6. Which is more? 5 or 6? 6 is more. So 62 is more. So towards the greater number opened. Understood? And next to 27, 38. Same. 38 is more. And next we have 26 and 30. Which is more? 26 or 30? 30 is more. So which symbol we have to write? So opened towards 26 or 30? Yes, towards 30. Opened mouth. And next 46, 39. Opened mouth towards 46 or 39? Yes, 46. And next 75 and 71. 75 and 71. Which is greater? 75 is more. So opens mouth towards 75. And next 62, 62. Both are same. So equal symbol. Both are same now. So which symbol we have to write? Equal symbol. Understood? Understood for everybody? Now once open your worksheets. Page number 8. Your homework is page number 8. Page number 8. Seventh bit. Seventh bit in worksheet. Seventh bit in worksheet. And next learn and write 1 to 20 number names. 1 to 20 number names. Okay, so write these number names in homework book. Next do this 7th bit, page number 8, 7th bit in worksheet. Understood? This is your homework. Today's homework. Everybody has to do your homework.